The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, The Morning Brew. Welcome, people. Welcome. 10:54 in the morning. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. And once again, we're reminding you the Tap to Win promo wherein you can win a brand new iPhone 15, baby. iPhone 15. It's only up until September 15, so you better hurry. All right, for every 500 purchase entitles you to a free raffle coupon plus... you can earn extra points by purchasing on the sponsor products and using your Royal Privilege card, RPC card, okay? Brand new iPhone 15 up for grabs at the Tap to Win e-raffle promo, okay? Also, two winners of the Samsung Galaxy A55 and 9 winners of Samsung Galaxy A05. Dami pala, no? Daming premyo, hindi lang yung iPhone 15. Alright, so check it out at the two stores. Check out their social media pages, the official website also, www.royalsubic.com, 252-3258 for more inquiries. And time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. This one, Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport branch. And there's another branch in Lincoln Heights subdivision in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay. Wawas Jr. for the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers and a whole lot more. Siyempre, yung mga gustong makita yung menu nila, visit their official Facebook page. Alright? And they also deliver 0927-895-9714 for deliveries. And you may also call or text. Pwedeng tumawag. Pwede ring mag-text. Pwede ring order na kayo tapos pipick upin nyo na lang para pagdaan nyo ready na, no? Ayan. Masipag si Ate B yung naghihintay ng orders nyo. She will get it ready for you. So pagdaan nyo ready na. Dampot na lang. Tsaka bayad, siyempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung bayad. Importante rin yun. And also, the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. Also, if you happen to be in Dinalupihan, Bataan, na-mention na rin lang, Dinalupihan, Bataan, you may also check the following eateries. Ma, I'm Hungry, Taco Bataan, and Cafe Filipina. Coffee is what it's all about. All right, so today's holidays and observances being brought to you by Wawas Jr. And let's begin. September 11. As you guys all know, September 11 yung the terrorist attacks that happened in the United States. It led to a couple of related observances then, like the National Day of Service and Remembrance for them in the USA. They also declared September 11 to be Patriot Day. All right. And medyo ironically, no, September 11 pag tawag dito, digitalize digits mo 911, 911, which happens to be their emergency call numbers. Even in the Philippines, we apply this 911 din sa atin, 911 tapos doon ba nangyari. So they also declared September 11 to be the emergency numbers day. Okay. Also remember Freedom Day. Ang daming observance na related to it. And this one, hindi na related doon, of course. Regular, ordinary holidays and observances. Libraries Remember Day, 9/11, September 11 then. Okay? And also we have the Make Your Bed Day. Okay? You should teach kids to make their own bed. Diba? At an early age. Diba? Sabi nga nila, pag bata pa, they make their own bed. Well, naturuan ng tama, di ba? Kasama na doon yung discipline, yan. Pati na rin yung sa good housekeeping, di ba? Yung if a person is like they always clean up their own mess, lalo na sa mapa-kitchen man yan, sa table. It's a sign of a well-disciplined, well-taught, well-mannered person, di ba? Bata man or malaki na, di ba? Magandang yun legacy mo para sa kanila yun Di ba? Minsan nakakahiya yung mga malalaki na ang tatanda na hindi marunong magligpit ng sariling pinagkainan, yan, pinagkapihan, hindi man lang mahugasan, iiwan na lang, no? Yan, it's a sign of what they are. It's a reflection of who and what they are, di ba? Ganun yun Kaya they should be taught. Yan, okay? So, related lang sa today's holidays and observances. Make your own bed day. Kids, make your own bed. Yun ang sabi. Alright, so that's about it. Today's holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday!
birthday to you. September 11 is also the birthday of Ferdinand Marcos Sr., all right, the father of our PBBM president today. He was born September 11, 1917. He passed away in 1989, all right, in Hawaii. Ferdinand Marcos, Edralin Marcos Sr., okay? And next up, we have happy birthday to Tonton Gutierrez, Filipino actor and TV and movie actor, September 11, 1964. Ludacris turns 47 today. And movie actress Traji Henson. You probably know her from the TV series Hustle and Flow, Baby Boy, and Hidden Figures, all right? Or movies, I mean, okay? And she was also part of the 2019 film What Men Want, okay? And turns 54 today. Next up, we have Tyler Hoechlin. Was born September 11, 1987. He played the role of the werewolf Derek Hale on the MTV Teen Wolf TV series starring Tyler Posey, all right? Next up, we have DJ Kygo, September 11, 1991. Scott Patterson, who is, what's his name there in Gilmore Girls? I forgot, but it's Gilmore Girls. And he was also in the 3 of the Saw movie films, series of movies, I mean, okay? Next up, we have DJ Moby, September 11, 1965. And Elizabeth Daily. You're probably familiar with her for giving the voice to the role of Tommy Pickles in the cartoon series Rugrats. But a lot of fans remember her for her short stint with the hit TV series, the best TV series of all time in the world, Friends. Okay, and if you're not familiar what I'm talking about, if you're a Friends fan, you're probably familiar with the frenemy of Bibi Vapay. She calls her Jingle Bitch. I can't remember her name there, but yeah, it was her, Elizabeth Daily. All right. And lastly, Harry Connick Jr., pop singer, recording artist, very talented guy. He's a multi-instrumentalist. He can play the guitar, the piano, the keyboards, the drums, and of course, he can sing. He's a singer. Harry Connick Jr. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. 9/11, September 11 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-6909-501. All right, that's the official text digits of DJ Tommy G. Save mo na. And a couple of my friends, of course, also celebrating their birthdays today. Si Kuya Ver Lizada Santos. He used to be with the SBB Labor Department, pero yeah, he's retired already. So he lives a quiet. Is it quiet? Is it fine? Civilian life now, si Kuya Ver Lizada Santos. Dati nating kasamang manggagawa or serbisyo sibil, kapatid sa serbisyo sibil. Kuya Ver Lizada Santos. Happy birthday to you, Kuya Ver. All right? And next up, we have also happy birthday to my friend, Mr. Carl Agustin Contreras. All right? We used to work for this, certain duty-free store here in the Subic Bay Freeport back in the days when we were both, teeny boppers pa. Yeah. And lastly, our very own Direk Saldi, Direk D. Dizon. All right, ayan. Happy birthday to you, my good friend, Direk D. All right? So, lahat po kayo ay imbitado. Meron siyang malaking selebrasyon mamaya sa kanilang hometown in Zamboanga del Norte. Happy birthday to you, Direk. All right? Have a good one. And time for me to press play on this song. Music coming from one of today's birthday celebrants, Harry Connick Jr., with this version of The Way You Look Tonight. 895 Subic Bay Radio.